So hello and welcome back everyone to my YouTube channel. I am Aman80k and let's see how you can make your Minecraft server more secure. So as we all know that recently there was a little fuck up with Vulcan. Like people were actually able to get force operator on your server and use the operator commands. So today I am going to show you how you can prevent that if you are using an older version of Vulcan or you are using the crack version of Vulcan. So today we will see how we can prevent that situation, plus how we can use another anti-cheat with Vulcan so that it will make your server even more secure. Okay, so first of all, let me show you. Right now on this side, on the left side, I am with my main account, the Aman80k, and this is the admin account. I have the operator on this account. Okay, so like I can make any one operator. So I have operator on this account, and with the Milo I am using a hack client. Okay, so I am using a hack client so that we can test out the how good is the anti-cheat and all of the other things like this. I am able to fly in the survival. Okay, so let's start with the video. So first we need to go to our panel and let's upload some anti-cheats. Okay, so first of all we are going to use Vulcan because Vulcan, no matter what, it is one of the best anti-cheats out there. It has never failed a server. Recently it has a bug which is okay, things can go wrong sometime, but to prevent that thing I am here, and today I am going to show you how we can prevent that force OP situation on the server with extra advantages and all. Okay, so first of all we are going to put Vulcan on the server. So here is Vulcan. It is better to use the latest version of the Vulcan. Don't go for the crack versions, but if you have no choice, then what even I can do. Okay, so with the Vulcan we are going to use one another plugin which is absolutely free and you can download it from GitHub, and the plugin's name is Anarchy Exploit Fixes. Okay, so this is the name, and when you will download it, it will only give you two options, for fabric and for flora. Okay, but you can use the flora one on the paper servers. It works absolutely nice and you don't have to do any other setup than this. You have to do some configurations in Vulcan but not in this. Okay, protocol, one second. Okay, so here is my protocol. Oh, what the fuck. Sorry, you don't need to put it here. You need to put it in the plugins folder, protocol lib. All the links will be in the description, so if you want to download anything you can just go in the description and download it from there, or the plugin will automatically give you the links for that if you don't know how to. Okay, so right now on the server there is not many plugins. I only have Via version, Vulcan, Anarchy Fix Exploit. Okay, so let's see. So we need to make some configuration inside this. Other, if we will not do that, then it will not even let me, the server owner, to get the operator on the server or make my game mode change or anything like that. So let's go inside this configuration file. From here you can change the language. You can use the preferable language, whatever you like. If you will choose it to auto language, then it will automatically fetch the language from the server's other plugins. Like if you are using essentials, then it will automatically change it to English US, like that. Okay, so from here you can change the format of the messages. Like if you don't want to show the messages like Vulcan, then you can change it from here. Other than that, everything here is pre-set up, but you just need to select some of the things like prevent non-survival players, which is false. You need to make it true. So oh, what the fuck. So what this does is that it will, if some player somehow gets creative mode, it will change their creative mode back to the general survival, but it also applies to you. So for whitelisting yourself, you need to write your name here. Okay, and then there will be an option for the prevent opt player. Okay, so this is very useful. This was very useful for me at the time of Vulcan exploit, when players were able to get the operator on my server. So what you have to do is make yourself true and only make your name. Okay, so now what will happen, like if some player will even try to get the operator on my server, like somehow they were able to access my account and they were able to what the fuck is happening? This is why I don't use hack clients. Okay, so as you know, my main account AmanATK has the operator on the server. So if I even try to give Milo the operator of the server, Milo will not become the operator of the server. So first we need to things. Okay, so let's restart our server once we have done that, and then I think we are good to go. And let's use some malicious things on the server and see if we are able to bypass it or not. Okay, so our server is restarted and let's join again. Okay, so I am in the server and let's join with the Milo account. Okay, so as you know, I am the operator on the server right now, and I had whitelisted only myself, means only the main account, to be the server operator. Let me make it a little bigger. Okay, so if I will even try to give Milo the operator of the server, he will not become the operator. So like I will do op Milo, enter. It says here made Milo a server operator, but if we will go on Milo and if we see, can he use any operator commands? No, like Milo cannot even change the game mode, like game mode or anything. And now you can say, look, I was okay, so I was on Milo account and I was using a hack. So let me turn off that. Wait a second. Okay, so I was flying, so that's why it kicked me. So like you can see, with the help of these two plugins, any player on the server will not be able to exploit. And if I respawn Milo and send him in creative mode, Milo will not go. Like look, right now Milo is in creative mode. Okay, he can use hacks, but as soon as he do anything, like even if he moves a little bit, he will send back to the like. Okay, like see right now, what the fuck. Okay, so I am going to send, even if he is able to get the creative mode on the server, I don't think he will be able to, like if he even moves, he's knocked out from the thing. Like I had done that, got here, moves a little bit, and he's outside from the creative mode. So this is a thing, like, and I am already using a hack client, as I said. So Vulcan is already doing its thing. So I will say both of these anti-cheats go side by side, and as you know, I got kicked from the server because I was using all of these hack clients in the back. So that is it for today, I will say. And if you have any doubt with Vulcan or anything, so I had already made a video on Vulcan, so I would prefer you to go and look on that. If you have any issues with the Vulcan or even with this plugin, you can just join my Discord, and I think I will be able to help you with most of the things. Thank you for watching this video this far, and if you have any problem, you can contact me or my staff on the Discord. They will be able to help you with anything and everything you need. So I think that is it for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Tada.